So, hi guys! Today, along with my family, now, meet my little brother who is very stupid and idiot. What?
Are we gonna drink milk?
Yes, we are drinking milk. So
Give me
this
milk
is the
now.
Alaska one.
What? Let
Our
me see.
pads,
Hello. Oh.
tissues, and stop being annoying.
Sorry.
And today we're grocerying at SM City Supermarket. Today we're trying to choose alcohol. Then my mom and my auntie Army is picking a suitable alcohol.
I'm starving.
I don't care. I'm starving as well. There.
Keep that in mind until we get finished. Huh? Huh?
Yeah. So here they are.
Yeah,
Picking all the important stuff, especially for body parts. And here I'm pushing the cookie. I told you to buy baby wipes, you're not saying it. Safety for baby wipes. This one. Again. Bislasta, 49 pesos. Bilas. Yes.
Can I?
Here, best love. 49. Anti-back wipes.
88, tama. Ito yun, oh. Yung manipis yun, 44.
What the?
Can I just hold it?
No.
Ibigyan ko.
245. 215.
Like and subscribe.
Ayan, isa lang.
No choice. Since like we're done. I mean, maybe. No. Zach, can you stop being annoying? You're a very annoying kid. Go get one. Go get. Suit yourself.
Mom will get angry.
Then don't. Which one? Which one? 2?
I want one of these.
Chocomocho. Here we go. Move aside, Zaya. Move aside. Oh no, we're losing in the track. Zaya, stop pushing the cart. Hey!
Excuse me, please. Oh, there, that's good.
Isaiah, can you move aside from me?
Sorry. I'm very sorry. Hey, you cannot see it because it's on the top. Can you move aside? Move. I'm moving. You cannot.
I told you to
I'm
move
helping.
aside. You're pushing it to the wrong side.
Oh. I cannot see it. I know why. Is that
Wow.
Canton?
Fancy Canton.
That's a pig. That's a pig. Can I just hold it?
No. I'm taking a video.
I'm gonna take some those video too. Take some, not? So yun, magtuturn ka.
Ganda ng screen niya.
Makuha ka malaki.
River.
Seems like my mom is picking everything. Oh no.
Our cart is gonna get full.
No. Poor boy.
Creamy ba to?
Instant.
Oh, there's an instant.
Then
Ayun yung red, sabi sa spice ko na to. Diba?
Zach, move. Move. Hello. Ito yung binibili namin. Ayan. Ayan.
Mura ako.
Tapos, ito. Ayan. Ito sila.
Pag yan, nahulog.
Hindi yan.
Yun.
Ito, sabi daw ng ate ko, pag yan nahulog. Ayan. Ito, ganito ka lang kay natin. Yan, hello vlog.
how about let's move aside?
Let's go. Whee! It's my sister. So hard. He's hard worker. She just wants some normal legs. She just wants some muscles for her to get that push cart to over our parents. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Ah, bro. Wee, 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 wee. You looking at me?
You know, if you're not gonna vlog very